Steel Bite Pro. Revolutionizing oral health with nature's goodness. Maintaining good oral health is essential for overall well-being. With the hustle and bustle of modern life, many individuals struggle to give their oral hygiene the attention it deserves. This is where Steel Bite Pro steps in. A 100% natural solution crafted from 23 plants, herbs, minerals, and vitamins, dedicated to rebuilding gums and teeth. In a world where appearances matter, a captivating smile can open doors only if solid teeth and healthy gums back it. Steel Bite Pro has emerged as a revolutionary solution, harnessing the power of nature's finest ingredients to provide a holistic approach to oral health. Understanding oral health. Oral health goes beyond just brushing and flossing. It involves the entire oral cavity, from gums to teeth and everything in between. Neglecting this can lead to various issues, ranging from bad breath and cavities to more severe conditions like gum disease. The birth of Steel Bite Pro. The idea of Steel Bite Pro was born out of the frustration with conventional oral care products that often contain synthetic chemicals and additives. A group of researchers and experts came together to develop a natural alternative that addresses the root causes of oral problems rather than just their symptoms. The power of natural ingredients. Steel Bite Pro's efficacy lies in its meticulously chosen 23 natural ingredients. These include potent herbs like neem, yarrow, and turmeric, each known for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties. Minerals and vitamins like zinc, milk thistle, and beetroot also ensure comprehensive oral care. How Steel Bite Pro works. Unlike traditional toothpaste and mouthwash, Steel Bite Pro's formula aims to break the cycle of oral issues. It targets harmful bacteria, reduces plaque buildup, strengthens teeth, and rejuvenates gums. The natural ingredients work synergistically to create an environment where oral problems struggle to thrive. Benefits of Steel Bite Pro. Using Steel Bite Pro offers an array of benefits. From preventing cavities and gum disease to combating bad breath and promoting a radiant smile. This natural solution provides a holistic approach to oral wellness beyond superficial cleanliness. Addressing common oral issues. Steel Bite Pro is designed to tackle various common oral issues head-on. Whether it's bleeding gums, tooth sensitivity, or persistent bad breath, the blend of natural ingredients in Steel Bite Pro offers a multifaceted solution to these concerns. Incorporating Steel Bite Pro into your routine. Integrating Steel Bite Pro into your daily routine is simple. Replace your regular toothpaste and mouthwash with this natural alternative. Follow the recommended dosage and instructions to ensure optimal results. Consistency is critical to achieving the desired oral health transformation. Expert opinions and endorsements. Dentists and oral health experts worldwide have recognized the potential of Steel Bite Pro. Many endorse its use due to its natural composition and ability to address the underlying causes of oral issues. This acknowledgement from professionals adds to the credibility of Steel Bite Pro. Steel Bite Pro is a game-changer in the realm of oral health. Its blend of natural ingredients and holistic approach sets it apart from conventional oral care products. By addressing the root causes of oral issues, Steel Bite Pro offers a promising solution for those seeking a healthier smile. Check the description to order Steel Bite Pro on the official website.